everybody, welcome to another Snacky Sunday. Today we are going to be making blueberry bars. Oatmeal blueberry bars. I like to eat them for breakfast. Making this video mainly because I need breakfast and I need a video. Hand in hand, we're gonna get this done. Let's get started. Blueberry bars. Okay, so before we get started, I already have the oven preheated to 350 degrees and I took a little tin, wrapped it in some foil. It's not perfect, but I mean, really. In front of me, we have the following. A mixing bowl, 1 stick of butter, 3/4 of a cup of oats, 1 cup of flour, a 1/2 cup of white sugar, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar packed. We are going to combine all of these items into the bowl and get them mixed up. It's going to be a little bit thick, but that's okay. It's supposed to be. That's delicious. Don't be afraid to get your hands in and get it dirty because you're going to have to press it into the pan and you're going to have to crumble up the front. You're going to have to press it into the pan and you're going to have to crumble it on top anyway, so. Now that we have the crumblies and the base done, sugar. Now it's time for blueberries. And we're back. We have here a bag of wild blueberries. I believe wild blueberries make all the difference because they are very tiny. And they're very flavorful. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1/3 cup of white sugar. There's a lot of sugar in this. I didn't realize that. Only when you read the ingredients out loud do you realize how much sugar you're putting into this. But it's really good. And you're only eating 1 for breakfast, so it's not that bad. I'm gonna get these blueberries nice and covered. We're going to start by taking 1 cup of the mixture, setting that aside because that is your crumble for on top. Next we dump the blueberries. So now that we have this all pressed into our pan, it's beautiful. And that was so fast. We didn't have to cut away for anything. We're gonna put this in the oven, 350 degrees. We just put it into the oven. We're gonna set the timer for, I'm gonna say 45 minutes, and then we can check it and come back to it if it needs to stay on for longer. This is the best cleanup. The best cleanup ever. Hot and fresh out the kitchen. But I cannot wait to get my teeth into that. Now we have to wait again. Okay, so they're nowhere near being set up. They're still really warm. And I kind of want to save them for eating for breakfast, but I still want to eat them. I want to eat them like I eat everything else, so you guys know that I'm not making ridiculous things. As always, they do not disappoint. Look at those blueberries. Thanks so much for tuning in and hanging out with me on this wonderful snacky Sunday. Don't forget to leave a comment below if there's anything you want me to make. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to do this again sometime. And as always, I will put the ingredients, directions down in the description below. Till next time, snacky.